We also talked to the Birmingham Fire Department about how they're preparing for the worst. Hear from them at 6. Back to you.
All right, Maya, thank you very much. You know, a generator can be a huge help in severe weather situations. If the power goes out, many people start those generators to keep the power running to essential parts of their home. The Red Cross, though, wants to make sure that you are using those generators very safely, because if used incorrectly, they can be deadly. That's that carbon monoxide could easily leak back into your home. To avoid that, the Red Cross says you should never use gas or charcoal burning devices like generators, grills, or camp stoves inside any enclosed area. That means not even in your garage or your basement. Keep them outside, and also keep them away from doors, windows, or vents that could easily pull that carbon monoxide back inside your home. You can, if you can't, you can't see or smell CO. So if you start to feel sick, dizzy, or weak, that could be that you've been exposed. So you should get to fresh air immediately, turn that generator off, get outside. Now, you should also install carbon monoxide detectors in your home. Now is a good time, if you have those already, to test the batteries in your CO and smoke detectors to make sure they are working properly. And